Okay, so greeting, Professor. In this video, I will explain for each step how we implementing the ALT for in this task is correct the Bluetooth density data. Okay, so at first I'm starting with the data collecting from the scanner. So I set the scanner to send the data to MQTT broker, which is the broker.emqx, which is the free broker from online in the cloud MQTT broker that you have taught teachers have taught us in the class. So I set it to send the data uh, over time. So the data will be continuous sending to this channel, and then after this I will collect this data using the uh uh by I will query this data by using the REST app. By REST app I will run on with the Docker Compose dot uh I will run with the Docker Compose, which it will run all application that contain in this folder and managed by docker.yml. And then as you can see in environment file, I have set the MQTT the uh, REST application URL at this port, which is the port that I have uh, that I have public from the VS Code. And then if I open in the browser, it will show like this, but this is the normal. So I will specify the port from the data that I have sent. I set the station name as st1. So to query data from st1, I will type at st1. The data will show like this. This is will be the last data that correct from in the MongoDB for the station st1. Next, I will also show the data that from each asset. So in this one, I will show the asset. It should be asset 1, right? Okay, my asset is asset 1. So it will query the data from the asset 1. And then after this, I will call this data by the line chatbot. For line chatbot, okay, I will start by login to the line developer console, and then this is the this is my chatbot name. I call it Himikase. And then I have configured the webhook for the port 8000 and also set the asset token or which if I will set all variable that is necessary on the env file, and then if it works, I will try the bot will send the response back to me. If I type as st1, it should be show the number of the state of the asset that st1 has detected. So this one because I already detect just the asset one, so it will just show already one device which is asset one. And then if I try to uh, type at asset one, it will show all data that is correct from asset one. It will be like this. And then the last feature that you have required you have assigned us to do is to implement the Gemini chatbot to this the Gemini generative AI to this chatbot. And okay, next I will explain how I can implement the AI, the Gemini AI for the chatbot. At first, I have I go to like AI Studio, Google AI Studio, which is the uh, service that provided by Google that we can got the API key, which it will call like the API key for use the Gemini generative AI. So after I got this AI key, so I have copy this one, which is the AI key, sorry, which is the API key, and then I will call this, okay, sorry, okay, I will call this one in the bot app. The bot app in app.py, I have uh, call the API by this function, the Configure API key, and I have add my API key, specify the model, and then I have uh, input the text to the AI model, which the text is the text that I have sent to the my AI chatbot, and then after is receive the text, it will send to Gemini to the Gemini, and it will take the response and display in this one. Okay, so let's show this one is hello. Okay, okay, let's it has some response, and then I will try to ask this chatbot something. What is your name? I thought, oh, so it's tell you it's the large language model. So next one I will ask this chatbot to please say hello to Professor Supershine. He is my instructor. Okay. Oh, so it, he responded as hello, Professor Supershine. Okay. Then I will try to ask a little bit like some necessary information. Do you know about earthquake? This it will take time for query. Okay, so this one he will like respond to us like the information from the earthquake that I just asked him. So this is the I think this has met our requirement for this assignment. So thank you for watching, Professor, and thank you for your efforts to teach us for the last 1 month. Okay, so this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.